Last week, we went to Fushimi-Inari Shrine in Kyoto. This is one of the best sightseeing places in Japan. Inari means fox in Japanese. This shrine is called as Oinari-san for 1,300 years, made in 711 during Nara era. After entering shrine, you will find the place to wash your hands. Here is called as temizuya. This temizuya is used for our ceremonial purification to clean people's mind before entering main part of shrine. This symbolic purification is normal before worship. By using temizuya, people normally wash their left hand, then right hands, then mouth, and finally the handle of the water ladle to purify themselves. At New Year Day, about 2.5 million people come this shrine and make a New Year wish.
If you feel your wish comes true, pray for wish as was being light. Okay, should we do it?
Yeah, you should do
So bow
it.
to this status, right?
Yes, bow. Hold up the stone statue. Yes, hold up.
Take it out.
Yes,
Oh, it's heavy.
hold up. You did?
Like this.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Put it back.
And pray for a wish
Okay.
and ask for the statue being heavy.
Okay.
Oh.
This stone?
Oh. And you pray
Yeah.
wish,
Yeah.
so you can,
Ask for to be light.
if this is lighter than you think, your wish comes true.
Oh, thank you.